materials and got your paper and put it on a hard surface, your first step is to fold the corners in to about halfway, making sure you keep everything nice and even and having crisp, clean folds. Once you have finished that step, you'll want to flip the paper over and fold the paper in half. And still trying to keep everything even and having crisp and clean folds. There. Once you have finished that step, you will then take each side and fold it down till the wing, to make the wings, and making the wings even with the bottom of the paper, and do that to each side. Once you have completed that step, you should have a fully functional paper airplane. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful?